of the Festival of Lights, Diwali, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has come up with a suggestion. According to him, one shouldn't really be spending on diyas and candles. He has compared the festival of Diwali to what happens during Christmas, and his statement has in fact triggered a political controversy as well. Listen into what exactly Samajwadi Party's Akhilesh Yadav had to say.
दिए की जगह मोमबत्ती का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है, उसकी संख्या घट गई है। दूसरी बात से ये देखा जाता है कि जब दिवाली का फोटो होता था उसके दूसरे दिन जो
देर आए छोड़िए, देर आए दुरुस्त आए, और क्या बोले उस पर क्या बोलना, उसमें क्या बोलना। वो तो देखिए ऐसा है, हम सुझाव देना नहीं चाहते। नहीं, चलो दे दो सुझाव, भगवान प्रभु श्री राम जी के नाम पे सुझाव। रुक जाइए भाई, देखिए दुनिया में इस समय क्रिसमस का समय पूरी शहर जगमगा जाते हैं और महीनों जगमगा के रखते हैं वो लोग। उन्हीं से सीख लो बस। क्यों खर्चा करना बार बार दियों का, मोमबत्ती का, और ये दिमाग लगाना है? तो फिर क्या उम्मीद करोगे? ऐसा सगा हटाइए इसको, बहुत सुंदर रोशनी कराएंगे हम लोग।
Let's now go across to my colleague Adib, who is joining us live for more on this. Adib, what do we make of this statement coming in from Akhilesh Yadav? क्यों खर्चा करना दियों पर, मोमबत्तियों पर? I mean, like, Diwali is synonymous with diyas.
Well, definitely, Hina, see, Diwali is all about diyas. In fact, the name matches very much with the diyas, and in fact, in the traditional celebrations that we see across the state, the people only lights up diya, although they light up their houses with different shades of lights, but diyas, they are the tradition of Diwali. And now Akhilesh Yadav is comparing Diwali with Christmas. He's saying that why to spend a lot of money on diyas, and it should be lit up like the Christmas when the entire city is being decorated during the Christmas. Now, what's important is that the Uttar Pradesh government, each and every year, they try to create a new world record. This time, the Uttar Pradesh government is aiming for a world record of lighting up around 26 lakhs diyas on the ghats of Ayodhya. And now, Akhilesh Yadav is taking a jibe at this. He's saying that why to waste a lot of money? Instead, they should use decorative lights instead of diyas, but he's forgetting the most important thing, that Diwali is all about diyas. In fact,
right.
when the government of India and the UP government talks about Swadeshi, the diyas is the one thing that will come. The name of the diya will come forward, because diya is the tradition of Diwali.
Right. Stay on with us, Adib. We have a reaction now coming in from Bharatiya Janata Party as well. BJP